Yes, okay. Welcome to the Smart Marketing Partner YouTube channel and the Facebook group. If you are in the Facebook, it's Whitehead SEO for Business group. And today I'm going to do SEO audit for the event organizer, event planning, event management. Yeah. His name is Michael and he's doing the MKG Events. His website is mkgevents.com.au. So let's get it started. Okay. As usual, I have already done a few research, like the keyword research, his competitors based on that keywords, and put that in put their URL in my Google sheet. Okay, so the main let's start. It's MKG Events websites, entertainment based business industry category. Audience targeting would be the business. Date content management is WordPress. Yep, it's WordPress. And yeah, all the video, the YouTube video will be link will be over here. All right, and after I've done a few research, what I found is I assume that his main keywords you want to target is the event management company based in Sydney. And when I do research that keywords based in Australia, difficulty is pretty easy to get ranked, and these are the top 10 results for that keywords, and the 110 that's the search volume for the month. Okay, so yeah, that's the search volume, and based on that keyword I only took the 3 of the top competitors, and when I check their all of traffic and the value from the tool called Ahref tool, same results. What I found is for example, if I let's go in this one overview. Okay, so what I found is that their monthly traffic from that keyword is 946 estimated per month, and if that traffic convert into the PPC, cost about 2,600, and it's same with that one, and that one 816, 2,300. Same with eventplanning.com.au. Cool. So I found from here 816 to 2,300. See, you can see that they from this SEO tools, what I found is they haven't done anything over here, and from May, boom, top to one page for the ID event. Anyways, since I don't have access to the Google Analytics search console, let me check out first whether he have Google Analytics installed or not. UI. I haven't found any UA script. Oh, here you go. So he have it. Google Analytics. He have, but I don't have access. So what I do? Let me delete that. Yeah. Search console, another great tool. I don't have access. Facebook pixels, let me check that out. Cool, don't have it. LinkedIn, I zoom there, you don't have it. Heatmap, I zoom. Heatmap, no heatmap. Bots, it's really helpful to get all leads. even if you are offline. Email opt-ins, do you have it? I don't think so. Not on the home page. Conversions, nope, no conversions. Google Ads, I don't think so. You have any doing the Google Ads. Okay, let's hang a sec. Okay, so let's get into the data. Is your bounce rate below the 90%? For this kind of data, I need to access your Google Analytics. Since I don't have access, I can't check. Same with that one, no access to the data. And go conversion rate, I'm pretty sure on that. No access on that one too. Return and visitors, no access on that one. Those kind of data you can see from the Google Search Console and the Google Analytics data. You can check the new visitors and returning visitors. So returning visitors means you are gaining the authority of your website. Branded shirts, yeah, there is a brand shirts. When I look into your ranking, so you're still getting traffic is 71 per month. That's the estimation. So if I go to the organic keywords, let's see what the users put in. MKG events. Yeah. I'll say yes. Natural social shares, nah, there's none. I don't think so you have installed any social share. Nah, no social share icons or something like that. So call to actions, is there any? How do I contact you, if just in case if I want to do the marketing, like the event marketing? I'm interested in doing event marketing. How do I contact? From here, why don't you have the like over here? I'll do the summary of your user experience maybe later on. I'll just simplify. Yeah, that one is really helpful. You don't even need it for this one. That one is kind of for the big sites. Mobile friendly. Are you mobile friendly? Let's find out. There we go. Yes. Okay. Let me check out your content. For the content, so what I do is there's a tool called Siteliner. It's gonna provide you all of your duplicate contents. If you have the broken link, it's gonna share all of those broken links too. Is your content useful? What? Only this? Not much content. Thin content, doesn't like by the Google. Broken links, let me find that out. Where's the links checker? Duplicate content 000. Still scanning. dead weight page, that's for the big page with no backlinks. I'll just say pass on that one. For this data, no access. I don't have access to the search consoles. Title tag under optimized page. Yeah, I need access to the Google Search Console to see the data. Cool. And let me get into the technical. For the technical, to analyze all of your technical data, I have to use Screaming Frog Spider. It crawls all of your website's data and yeah, just get into the one window. So it is way easier to analyze. See all of the word counts and everything. We can check how many links we have, how many pages. Yeah, which is pretty good. Let me check your response code. 200, 200, 200, 300, 301. What's going on with the 301? 301, 301, 301. Needs a 41, 44. This one is external link. Okay. Anyways, where am I? Less than 3 seconds. Let's start with the speed, site speed. Oh my god, how come it's 15.5 seconds? Oops, request is normal request is 80. You're over the request. Your site doesn't look that big, but how come it's too much? 12 MB, too slow. So definitely you have to consider it. Any keywords can apply. Let me check that out. So 133 has been indexed by the Google. I don't think so you have any cannibalizations. Keyword 302 redirects, yes, all good. Redirect chains, no, don't worry about it. 301, since your website is small, non-secure. This is the interesting one. So you don't have, your website is not secured, so definitely need to get SSL. It can cost you, I think, $7 or $8, and Google prefer SSL. Otherwise, if you are in the Chrome, it's gonna show you as this site is not secured. Let me check out your sitemap. Now it's a robots.txt. Yeah, just add the sitemap as a hello. So what the robots will do is you are authorize Google bots to which pages to crawl and which are not, like this allow to WP admin, allow all of the pages, and also allow just to allow to your sitemap. Cool. So into crawlers, sitemap. Let me check the sitemap whether you have it or not. Yes, you do. You're using the Yoast. All good. Nice. I've already done that. Yeah, that's good. Duplicate meta tags for that one. Let me check over here. Meta descriptions, all duplicate. Nah, there's no duplicate meta descriptions. So meta descriptions means like this one. Once your website's found in the SERP, like the result page, people are gonna read the title and yeah, this small snippet and click on that. That means if they are happy with satisfied with their results, and after clicking, if they find whatever they're looking for, then your website getting a bit boost. The site have a duplicate copy of any of your page? No, which is good. 4.4 link equity, don't worry about it since your website is not that big. Site structure efficient for the search engine and user. For this one, see the link structure, event marketing. That's event marketing, event management. What is the difference between event marketing, event management, event entertainment? Okay, so it's just a simple page. So you can, what you can do is cool, just about that one. Event management. Yeah, I definitely need a content because community and family events, it's different. The URL structure is different than the, yeah, definitely need to work it out with the page title and the keywords you want to rank for. You might want to target for the event management for this one, and just this is not enough. Yeah, there's no internal linking going on. No, URL structure is not clean. From here, see this one 904, it doesn't make any sense to Google, not for the human too. For example, the good one is new performer Brian Lornage / Brian Lornage, and also a bit description about this one is automatic picked up by the Google bots. Just to describe this one, a little bit about Brian Lornage. So if your visitors know about Brian Lornage, they might click on your website and you get a rank on that keyword. Now you haven't applied this one, there's no interlinks going on. Categories, check that out. Close that. Category. Yeah, this category, just you have to do the d-index for the category because that one is creating duplicate content. Directory structure. Brian Lawrence, I think it's event. Yeah, it's not even categorized. Yeah, definitely have to work it out, and that's called the on page SEO index page. Let me check with your Bing. Is your website has been indexed? Today's lunar eclipse. Is your website has been indexed with Bing? Yes, there is, but only 2. So just submit your sitemap to the Bing. Crawley structure rate, no access. Index exploit, no access to that one either. I'm not too sure on that because I have to access your search console. Conversion page. Do you have any conversion page? There's none because you don't have any. Let me check your. You're getting an email, not even the contact form. How are you gonna track your website? Like the conversions from which like you can track everything from the start to the end. How they came up with which keywords they came up with, which path they go to, and they do the contacts. You know, this kind of thing. Okay, let me check your images. Cool. So there is no alt text on the image. You can still use your synonyms version of your keywords, which helps in the image ranking. Image file URLs uploads. What's this? The next one, www. Yeah, most of them are normal. This one is okay. Interlink structure. Yeah, you have the external link, but it's still just let me check. For example, bingo, not a good one. That means the visitors is exit your page. So instead of creating the external link into your own domain URL on the same window, just create a new tab. Yeah, also failed on that one. Meta keywords, no, there's none. One keyword for the multiple page. That means event management and event entertainment. If you have the event management keyword over here, like the focusing on the event entertainment, the same keyword in the multiple spaces, because the best practice would be the one keyword, one page. If you do the multiple keywords in one page, the Google will get confused and it just random up and down on the ranking. Let me check your heading tag structure. Yeah, could be better. Okay, for example, not this one. Where you guys? This one. For example, even marketing in Sydney, you can say even companies, even coordination in Sydney. Yeah, we are the one of the best. We are the experienced. It's good. Wedding singers. So for this one, it looks like you are targeting your professional wedding singers. I think you are targeting for the event management. Yeah, event management company. Anyways, event planner, yeah, that's good. You're using the MKG instead of that. Just try to utilize this space. Event manager, plan your dream event with us, you know, those kind of things, like the just use the text modifier, heading tag structure, breadcrumb, there's none. Check out with the CTR. Schema markup for the events pages like yours. I've came up with this one. This one is the results you see here. This one is the schema markup. If you do the schema markup on your website, you get that result. Let me check out whether you have applied the schema or not. This one is the one of the ranking. It's not a ranking, but it's definitely gonna increase your CTR, click-through rate. And if you have increased your CTR, that means definitely gonna boost your ranking. Creative work, site navigation element, WP header, website, what about the organizations, and also the events. If you have the event page, because you have the so this kind of the events, just use the event schema, website, organizations, just same as with the same as data. Let's see that one. There's no same as data. Definitely have to work it out. Even if you do have the schema markup, I'll say no, because you haven't done proper schema. Title tag, if your website have the multiple page with the same title tags, party planner, event planner, contact us, about us. Just use a title tag length. Let me check the title tag. Is there any duplicate? Yeah, there is a duplicate, but not to worry about that one. Just proper use of this one. Just make it between 55 to 60. Just make some more useful information on your title tags, something like this. Sydney professional wedding singers, but entertainment, but looks same. Sydney professional wedding singers. See, that one is title tag cannibalized to each other. Tag length also fail. Meta descriptions duplicate. There's no duplicate. Missing. Oh, there's a lot missing. Meta description length, since they are missing, also fail. Properly utilize. You haven't utilized that. So if you do the proper utilize of the text modifier on your title tags, definitely your title tag gonna be stand out and increase in CTR, like I said earlier. Cool. Since I don't have access to your Google Analytics, I can't check your new users, like all of those metrics, your users, conversions, bounce rate, and the demographics, your users' locations, what device they are using, and what are your top pages, which pages are ranking, and which pages are doing the least performance, means that what are the average page on the sites. Based on those metrics, what you can do is you can improve your content. So based on those metrics, and if you do take actions based on those metrics, proper actions, we're gonna help you out on the ranking too. Cool. Yeah, so Google My Business is definitely for yeah, if you're a local business. I think you are based in Sydney. If you for example, if you use your physical locations, even if you don't want to use the physical locations, you can rank on the Google Map Pack. um, Google Map Pack will definitely gonna help you out, for example like this. So I search for the event management and it give me the results based on my locations, which is really good. Increase in your authority, and a lot of the whatever, if the people click on the Google Map Pack results, you're gonna get calls. That's the results. Utilize that one. You can also optimize with Google Map Pack too. That's called local. Cool. And based on the roadmap, the summary would be the priority checklist. Let's see what happened with the checklist. Facebook picks it up. This is the high. LinkedIn ads. Nah, it's up to you. Heat map. If you want to see what users are clicking, that's a heat map. Bots are really useful for you. Like you can create conversations of bots. Like if they say, like some of the messengers, you see the hello, how are you, how can I help. So if you click on that, I need these kind of details, and it's automatic. It looks like it's gonna increase your website's dwell time. Email opt-in, definitely need it. Also medium. Conversion pixels, if you're doing the yeah, you don't have it, that means you need it. The conversions, how are you gonna how can you track your results? So if you're doing the remarketing Google ads, that one is need. Does your content get a nature for social shares? That one is also medium. Call to actions, definitely need it. Lead gen, yes, definitely need it. So you can for example, so you get a lot of email subscriber from your website through the lead gen, right? And what you can do is even entertainment. If some artists join your even entertainment sections, just send them email saying that, hey, this one, we've got a new member in the house. And yeah, if the subscriber is like those artists, definitely gonna check his performance. Yeah, something like that. Useful? Nah, this is not useful. So I'm gonna increase your high bounce rate. Yeah, definitely need it. Faster. Your website must be faster. Less than 3 seconds. You must have SSL installed. Yeah. So the page and the links will be related to the page and the content. If you're doing the link out to the page, and in your case, your link out page is in the same window, that means increase in the exit rate, which from the Google point of view, it says people don't like your page, since why they left. No good. You have to categorize. This one is the on-page SEO factor. You have to categorize so that users and SEO bot will find easier to crawl and the navigate your website for the users. Use that. Categories. Medium in that one. Directory structure. Yeah. Bing. Yeah. Just do that. It won't take much time. I haven't done that, right? So let's see. Should be redirect to there we go. So you can have MKG events. If I do without www, let's see what happens. It's redirecting. There we go. Yeah, that's all right. Conversion page. If you're doing the SEO, you definitely need a conversion page. Missing alt tag. Yeah, definitely I say high because you can use the keywords on the image alt tags. Better keywords. Yeah, I'll set the low on that one. It's not low. Breadcrumb. Schema markup you have, but you have to structure nicely. Title tag length, meta descriptions, missing duplicate high. Even though that's not a ranking factor, definitely gonna increase your CTR, right? Good copy. There's no copy on it. Just use a proper good copy for the meta descriptions. You haven't used it. Okay, so for the summary, what I've done, what I found is the keyword analysis. Event management company, that's a keyword. Difficulty percentage is at 26%, and for that keyword, that's the 110 is the volume per month. And for the same keywords, your top competitors. I'm just doing this timestamp. For the same keywords, your top competitors are, I only choose 3 out of 10, and emgevents.com.au has a 946 estimate organic traffic for that keywords, and if they spend organic traffic to the PPC, convert that to the PPC value, it will be 2,600, and same with this one. And what I found from this research, you can easily rank. It's not that difficult for you to rank on the Google. Why this guy is high should be red, right? There we go. Beautiful. Yeah, definitely have to from this view. What I can see is you definitely have to work it out on page SEO factor, like the site structure, your content. Definitely need a content and links, and okay, which I've already mentioned over here. Yeah, just fix that and you'll see the results. I'm gonna write some SEO score and some of the some of the factors you should consider first. And before I sign off, what I can see is definitely you have to redesign your website. The reason behind is once I landed to this page, without reading at the first 1 second, it doesn't look like the entertainment website. So definitely check out your competitors, what are they are doing. For example, if I click on emgevents.com.au, emg events, they should have the big picture on the homepage. so it looks like, ooh, entertainment. Yeah, a lot of beautiful image, credit. Let me check the other one. What's the other website? Let me see. Event Management Sydney. Yeah, it's a big picture. Most of the event website has a big picture. And call to actions. Yeah, this one. Yeah, be at work, something like that. Yeah, call to actions if they're happy about. Yeah, yeah, definitely. I suggest you to just to redesign your website, and definitely gonna um, you get rank, because these days the Google also more focus into the user experience. Okay, and yeah, so if you like this video, just do the thumbs up, or maybe just subscribe to this channel. And if you want to join our Facebook group, there's a link in here. I'll send you this document as PDF. And cool. Thanks, Michael. Have a good day.